Guys, welcome back to my channel. Now first things first, so many people, not so many, some of my relatives and some of my friends saw my video. They just told me that why you're mixing up two languages, you're mixing up Hindi, you're mixing up English. So I just wanted to give this one a try. They told me that use only English or use only Hindi, so that it's like easy for the people to understand and easy for you to speak. So I just thought of giving this one a try, and this video is purely in English. So if you have any query related to this video, comment me down. I will be more than happy to read it down and solve it out. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you all know with the title you have read, that this video is going to be for all those girls who are so worried due to their pimple marks, acne marks, dark spots and whatnot, what blemishes and all. So guys, this video is surely going to help you a lot. Now in this video I am going to show you a 3-step remedy, which is going to include obviously 3 steps. The first step will be the cleansing, the second step will be toning and shrinking the clogged pores, and third step will be lightening all those scars. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before starting any skincare remedy or any skincare regime like routine, skincare daily routine, facial, anything, you just have to make sure that your face is thoroughly cleansed and makeup free. So if you have applied any sort of a makeup, if you have applied any like BB cream or CC cream also, then do remove it with a good micellar water or a good oil, then only use your face wash. So let's see the first step.
Now guys, as you can see, I have no makeup applied on my face and I'm going to wash my face using this Wow Anti-Acne Face Wash. Now I already shared a detailed review of this face wash with you all. If you have not checked it out, check it out, link is in the description box. So now you have to just take a small quantity of this face wash and just wash it off your face. Now I'm done washing my face and I will just pet dry my face. Make sure you're not rubbing your face, just pet drying it. So now my face is ready for the further step.
The second step is shrinking the open pores. Now after washing our face wash, the face wash does the job of clearing all the dirt that is clogged inside our pores, and it makes our pores open. So we have to ensure that open pores do not get any dirt clogged inside them. So we have to just make sure that we use a good toner or a good rose water to just shrink out that pores. So now let's see the second step.
So guys, in the second step for shrinking down my open pores, I am using ice cubes. They work very well as natural toners. Just take an ice cube and rub it on your face. You just have to rub it very gently, otherwise you will feel very cold. So this is like you're not comfortable like me, then take a cotton cloth and wrap an ice cube in it and then just gently dab it around your nose area, especially to target all the open pores, as we have maximum open pores around the nose area only. Just dab it on your face and you don't have to put extra pressure. Just dab it for around 40 to 50 seconds and you are done.
I just want to give you an intro of the third step. So I will be using 3 ingredients in the third step for making a face mask or a face pack kind of. So I am using the Multani Mitti, which is like a magical powder which every girl I am sure has tried and loves. So Multani Mitti is suitable to all the skin types and is like the hero ingredient for removing the blemishes, the dark spots, acne scars, anything. Now in Multani Mitti, if you will add a pinch of like Amba Haldi, that is the Kasturi Haldi. You don't have to use the kitchen Haldi, the kitchen turmeric, no, because it tends to leave a yellowish color on your face if you use it too much. Now if you don't have any like Kasturi Haldi or wild turmeric, Amba Haldi, then you just skip it down. Use only Multani Mitti. So Multani Mitti, Amba Haldi and rose water I am using here because I have Amba Haldi, so I'm using it. So just you have to use it. Now what Amba Haldi has, like Amba Haldi has so many anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which will like suppress down the bacteria of your pimple, the bacteria present inside your acne and all. So if you don't have Amba Haldi, it's quite okay, but if you have, then you must use it. And the third ingredient is the rose water, which is the universal water to just make our powder into a paste consistency and to apply it on our face. So let's see the third step.
So guys, now you can see for preparing face pack, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and then you have to add a pinch of Amba Haldi, only a pinch. Then you have to prepare a lump-free paste out of it. So for preparing the paste, I am adding rose water, or if you have extremely oily skin, you can add curd also. So add rose water accordingly to prepare a good consistency paste. and then we have to just apply this paste all over our face. So I'm using a brush here. You can also apply it with a hand. So just apply an even layer on all your face. Don't leave any corners, especially target all the areas where you have dark spots. Yeah guys, don't target the eye area. So just target all the areas and apply it all over your face. So I'm done applying my face mask. I will keep it for like 10 minutes on my face and then I will rinse it off. So I'm done rinsing off my face and you can see a good radiant and fresh look on my face. You can compare my face with starting of the video and the and now. So yeah, I have such gradient and fresh look.
With this I finished my today's video. You all saw how easy is this remedy to follow. It will surely give you results, but the results will not be instant. I am telling you this, results will not be instant. Use it like 3 times in a week. You have to use it every alternate day, and if you are not able to use it every alternate day, use this at least once a week to get best results. Use it for around 4-5 weeks and you will see the visible results definitely. So guys, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and share it with your besties around, and bye bye. We'll meet you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and Jai Shri Krishna.